What's happening? Things never goes according to plan, okay? I just made it here to New Hampshire, Concord, downtown, first time ever. I wanted to go around the city, take a look, see what it's like. And of course, today's a bad day. It's raining. It's been raining all day. It was raining yesterday in Vermont, and now it's raining here in New Hampshire. But you know, the show must go on. So even though it's raining, I'm still gonna go take a quick look. I'm still gonna go around the city a little bit. Let me see. This is getting wet. Look at that. All right. So I'm still gonna go take a quick stroll around downtown to see what it's like, so I can see it, so you can see it. And well, let's go see. As I was driving by, I saw a market over there. I saw a market, so maybe I can go to the market and just see. It was like I want to say maybe like a farmer's market or something. You see this? The rain is annoying, but it's important. We need the rain. So this is a quick stop. I am not staying a whole lot here in New Hampshire. This is a quick stop, like I said. But downtown looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Would have been much better if it wasn't raining. Yeah, it would have been much better if it wasn't raining, but you know, it is what it is. So alright, so this is the market that I saw. So coming where I was at in Vermont, it took me, let me see. Let me show you this first. The downtown Concord, New Hampshire. So coming where I was coming from yesterday, from Vermont, it took me an hour and a half to get here. It was a pretty cool drive. Of course, the rain made it a little bit hard, but it was a pretty cool drive. I'm here, and this is the great state of New Hampshire. You know, rain or no rain. See, I have to clear this because I don't know what it's going to look like. Hold on. Hopefully this is clear so you can see. So rain or no rain, I want to be, you know, I'm an explorer. I want to go around and see places and see things. Because if I see it, that means you see it. It's a nice looking building here. Okay. All right. This is nice. If you know what this building is, please tell me. I didn't do my research. All right, I didn't do my research. If you know what this building is, please tell me in the comments. But here's the market. Oh man, the rain is coming down. It is coming down.
You just take a bite.
This is honey. Seafood. Yes. So they're selling a little bit of everything. Hold on, I gotta clean the lens again. Hold on. Right. So they're selling a little bit of everything here. This is another nice building, legislative office building. Okay, so some government buildings here. Government buildings all around. Government buildings. All right. So again, I'm not staying long, but I had to get New Hampshire off the map. This is a pretty nice area. State Library, right here. State Library. Let's see, since 1920s. Okay. I like the market, so I'm gonna go back to the market that we just went by to see if I can actually find something that I can buy. Maybe there's something that I can buy. Yeah, let's go see if we can find something interesting that I can buy. I don't know if I have, I mean, I have cash, but I don't think they'll take credit cards. All right, let's go back to the market see what they have to sell. I'll get something before I leave and be on my way. And I wish it wasn't raining. Would have been much better if it wasn't raining, but again, the show must go on.
Yeah, you too. Hello.
All right.
That's mine. Yeah, meaning me.
That's the
Don't know where farmers.
goat milk. Nice. I don't see anything that I might want yet. Don't see anything that I might need. These are mushrooms. Pumpkins. Grinders. I mean, I want to get something, but I'm not seeing anything that I that I really want. Yeah, I mean, I was gonna get something. I'm not really seeing anything that I should buy. But let's take a quick walk over there, and we'll make our way back down on the other side of the street. All right. Again, I do this so I do this so I can visit and see it, so you can see it. Okay. All right, let me wipe again, man. So this video, hold on. Here we go. This video is not going to be my greatest, but nevertheless, it is done. Okay, how was that? That was a quick stroll downtown Concord, New Hampshire. It was short and sweet. Hope you like it. It's a Saturday, okay? Today's a Saturday. What's the date? October 21st? What's today, man? What is today? Hold on. So if you're watching this, today is Saturday, October 21st, all right? And it is raining. It's been raining for the past 2 days. Oh, and like I was saying, yesterday I was in Vermont. We went to the farm, to the maple syrup farm. They teach us everything about how to make maple syrup. So if you haven't seen that, go watch that video in Vermont. And tomorrow I will be in Maine. Okay, I will be in Portland, Maine. We're going to do some lobster fishing. So maybe watch out for that for the next video. All right, so this time around I just did the 3 states, right? I just did Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And if you remember, I've already done Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Milwaukee, what else? Quite a number of places. So the video should be up. If you haven't seen that, you can go ahead and check that out. Let me know in the comments, man. Let me know in the comments if you like any of these videos too, by the way, because I don't need to keep doing it if you don't find them helpful. How are you? Good. Yeah, let me know in the comments, okay? All right, so, and this is it. Like I said, I wasn't gonna stay here long. It was a quick stop. I'm here, and I'll check you in the next video, man. So this is New Hampshire, Concord, downtown, and thank you for watching. Short and sweet. I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.